Hello and welcome all. Today we are going to see what is Fourier series and why we need Fourier series. So why we need Fourier series? Let's say we have a signal, an audio signal. This is the audio signal, and as we know that Fourier series means how many frequencies it contains. If it contains many frequencies, low and high, audio frequencies range from 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz. This much of frequencies are in our audio human can hear. If we say that if we know the frequencies of it, and if it contains frequencies from 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz, and as we know that if we want to connect this frequency to a speaker, one speaker for woofer, that means for low frequency, that means it pass low frequency signal. In this audio signal, low frequencies are fed to this speaker, and there is another speaker that is called tutor. It deals with high frequency, it passes high frequencies. If we know the frequencies of it, if we design a circuit that contains an inductor and capacitor, this acts as a tuned circuit. That means it is for its resonant frequency, that means the frequency at which it will gives the maximum voltage is called resonant frequency. If less than 4 kilohertz frequency is applied to it, it will gives a high output. This output is fed to the speaker. Then the speaker will produce a sound. So the tuned circuit is tuned for frequencies up to 4 kilohertz. If more than that frequency arrive at this tuned circuit, the voltage at this point output will be very low, and the speaker does not able to provide enough sound. So we have to know what are the frequencies, and according to that we have to design the circuit, the filter circuit. If the frequency is very high, and if we design a circuit for 4 kilohertz, that means it will not produce output voltage. What happens if more than 4 kilohertz is applied to this voltage? At this frequency, the voltage will be high. Why? Because at this frequency the reactance or resistance of the inductor or the reactance of the capacitor, that means the ability to oppose the current, is same in both cases. So when a audio signal is applied at that frequency, the current will find a less current will be flown through the circuit. So maximum voltage will be available at this point, because at that frequency the impedance, the resistance of the inductor and the resistance of the capacitor are equal. So current cannot be, the audio signal cannot be passed easily through this circuit, and it will resonate at its frequency, so that there will be a output voltage. If what happens, more than 4 kilohertz is applied, if more than 4 kilohertz is applied, as we know that as the frequency increases, the reactance of the capacitor reduces. So the audio signal will pass through this circuit. Frequency means that is changing like this. When more than 4 kilohertz is applied, the current will go through this, like as the positive and negative voltages are applied, the current will go through like this. So there will be no action of the inductor, so current will be freewheeling through this circuit, and the voltage at this point will be very less, so we cannot drive the speaker. So we have to know the frequency in order to design a filter circuit. So that is the reason why we need Fourier circuit. That means in this signal there are many frequencies that are combined together to form this signal. Now if we look at the tutor, if the same circuit, the value of the inductor and capacitor are different, and it is tuned for a frequency up to 20 kilohertz. Minimum is 4 kilohertz. That means from 4 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz tutor is used. So what happens is that if more than 4 kilohertz is supplied, it will provide a good reactance. So there will be an output voltage. The tuner circuit, this circuit has a certain frequency at which it will gives maximum voltage. This is called Q of the circuit. That means if this is the frequency, at this frequency, if we say that in between the frequency 15 kilohertz, at 15 kilohertz, this tuner circuit will give the maximum voltage. Below that frequency or above that frequency, if below that frequency means at 10 kilohertz, the voltage, that frequency, the voltage is very less, and over that frequency also the voltage will be less. So at this frequency the voltage will be maximum. So the purpose of the frequency analysis in a signal is to decide if we know the frequencies in it, the maximum frequencies in this signal, we can accordingly we can decide a circuit. This is the purpose why we want to analyze a signal with Fourier series and Fourier transform.